Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you guys all the ribbon that I have in my supply shop, which is Kaylyn Supply Shop on SD. And all this product is listed. I don't know the prices offhand, but I just want to show you guys what I have gotten in. It's a little far away. Let me fix that. Let me put you guys a little closer. There. There we go. Now you guys can see. This is one of the ribbons. This is like a basket weave in a mint color. I do have 6 of that one. This ribbon would be perfect for Mardi Gras. So pretty. I do have 5 of that one. This one would be cute for fall designs. Use these ribbons for making bows, wreaths, centerpieces, or anything like that. This one I do have 5 of them. This one's cute for like spring and summer designs. I kind of thought ahead when I picked these stuff up. So when I 3 of. This one would be so cute for Christmas. All these different dogs. This one I only have 3 of, and it is a 4-inch ribbon, which when you design wreaths, you always tend to use 4-inch ribbon. This is a football one. And I do have 6 of that one. I was thinking ahead when I got this one for St. Patty's Day. It's so cute. This is a red check ribbon, would be perfect for Christmas designs. I got this cute ribbon. This one, when I saw it, I thought of gingerbread designs. So cute. I have some gingerbread designs in my head that I have to. This is another one of those basket weave design ribbons. So cute. This is another Mardi Gras design. This is a black and green ribbon. When I saw this, I thought it was a different color when I was at my wholesaler, but it ended up being green. I thought it was like I don't know what color I thought it was, but it wasn't what I was expecting. And this is another one of those basket weave designs. So cute. Patriotic. I got this one. I like to call these fireworks, but there's a different name for them for the ribbon. But and I did restock a ribbon that I didn't grab, but it's a red, white, and blue plaid ribbon. And I got this one for Halloween, but I knew it's late posting Halloween, but I had to grab that one because when I go down to my wholesaler, I go down there twice a year to pick out a lot of stuff, but that's why I pick so much out ahead. This one's nice, another spring one, which matches the other one that I showed you guys. This is a multicolor, good for like Easter, spring, summer. This is an Easter one with the bunny butt. So cute. This one would be great for Christmas. This snowflake one is so pretty. This ribbon is almost like the one ribbon that I sold out of like right away, but it's different and it has a furry edge on it. This one's a cardinal ribbon. So pretty. I have some ideas to do with cardinals. This ribbon right here. I thought this was just a plain green ribbon. No, it's like it's a fuzzy ribbon. I don't know if I can get that on camera, but it's called fuzzy and it's soft and fuzzy, but it doesn't look like it's so fuzzy. And this one's like the same thing, but in white. And then I got Ladybugs ribbon. I do have a couple other Ladybug ribbon in my shop. And then I got this ribbon. And then I got some more St. Patty's ribbon. This one's black and green. And then I did manage to get my hands on deluxe ribbon. I only got select many rolls of this because I didn't really realize this was deluxe ribbon, which is a really good wire. Because they didn't put deluxe on the ribbon. So when I ran the SKU of the ribbon, it came back deluxe, which if I would have known that, I would have got a lot more of this. So very limited qualities. It's a white and black dot on the top, then a white and black stripe on the back, which they're fused together. And then I also got some, I'm doing tests on some wooden signs and some mesh, so I only got 2 different meshes, but I do have a few other ones in my shop. This one's a burlap, red and lime green. And then I got this other one that's a burlap, which is purple, blue, pink, lime green stripes to it. This one would be perfect for spring design. And then I got 3 different signs. This is a, let me take them out of the box. Blue. Farmer's Market, 25 cents, blueberries, picked fresh daily sign. This is a one that says home. Hi, Connie. And then this is a welcome sign that's a lighthouse. This is actually very pretty. I currently do have this sign hanging in the house until I use all the ones that I took for myself. But there's a bit of these, I just don't have the numbers correct on the sign, so they do show out of stock. There's more, I'll be adding more to it, but I do got quite a bit of those. And then yesterday I went shopping at Hobby Lobby. I got a whole bunch more picks for more of my designs that, if you didn't see it already on Facebook here, do make some more swags and stuff, which I'll be doing a separate video for that. Not a live, but just to upload. But if you are interested in any of this ribbon, go to Kaylyn Supply Shop on Etsy, and some of the ribbon that I have in that supply shop is currently on clearance because I had it for over a year and it didn't sell, so I put some of it on clearance just to get rid of some of it. So that I don't have any of it here, but that stuff is 50% off. Alright, that's all I have for today. I plan on doing another live next week. I'm not sure what day yet, but I know my plan is to show you guys the wreaths that I do have on sale next week. I would do it today, but I have a craft show this weekend and I plan on bringing some of those wreaths with me. So, alright. So everybody go to Kaylyn Supply Shop on Etsy to shop my ribbon. Or if you want an easier way, all you have to remember is designsbykaylyn.com. All my wreaths are there, and my wreath supplies. I'm still working on the site, but you can use that for an easy link. Alright, everyone. Have a good day. Bye, y'all.